Icebreaker Chapter 4 Abandoned Ship. Team X laboured across the snow-jammed stretch of sea all morning. The ice creaked uncertainly beneath them. Said Kat, placing one foot gently in front of the other. Is this safe? Don't worry. The ice in the Antarctic is up to 4 kilometres thick in places, Ant told her. But not everywhere. No, he admitted. I don't think so. My feet ache, moaned Tiger. Keep going, said Max. We're nearly there. Finally, they reached the small sailing craft. The ice was packed in tightly around it. The red hull of the ship stood out like a blister. Hello, called out Max. Anyone there? There was no answer. Come on, let's go on board, said Tiger. He put one hand on the guardrail. Isn't it risky? Asked Ant. What's the worst that could happen? Said Tiger. He was already climbing over the edge of the hull. They all clambered aboard. The wooden snow-covered deck was slippery, and they had to cling onto the rigging for support. The famous explorer Ernest Shackleton had a ship that got stuck in the ice too. It was called Endurance, remarked Ant. What happened to it? Tiger asked. It sank. Oh, great. Max tried the cabin door. It was locked. There was a note pinned to it. It read, Gone out. I may be some time. Gladstone Day. Icebreaker groaned and gave a sudden lurch. They felt the deck shift under their feet. Inch by inch, the stern began tilting towards the sky. What's going on? Wailed Cat. Feels like it's going to sink, shouted Tiger. There must be a hole in the hull, said Ant. Our weight must have loosened some of the ice, and now the water has found a way in. Abandon ship! Max yelled. Jump! The kids all leapt over the starboard side of the ship. 4 pairs of feet crunched onto the ice. They turned to see Icebreaker slowly sink downwards. Great, muttered Tiger. When we find Danny's dad, the first thing we have to do is tell him we've sunk his ship. Then the ship's mast caught on the ice. It stretched out like a giant arm and held the boat fast. Half sunk the ship, corrected Cat.